Hi everyone! I'm Rach. I'm an English teacher from Australia. Today, I will teach you how to speak English like an Australian. Let's go! Don't say Australian. Say Aussie. He's Australian. He's Aussie. Don't say how are you? Say how you going? Hi, how you going? Not bad. You? Don't say friend. Say mate. Hey mate, hey, how you going? Don't say afternoon. Say arvo. What are you doing this arvo? I'm going to the beach with my mates. Don't say, you're welcome. Say, no worries. Thank you, no worries. Don't say, no. Say, yeah, nah. Did you pass the driving test? Yeah, nah. Don't say, yes. Say, nah, yeah. Do you want to go to the movies this arvo? Nah, yeah, that sounds great. Don't say breakfast. Say brekkie. What did you do this morning? I just woke up and had some brekkie. Don't say swimsuit. Say bathers. We're going to the beach this arvo, so don't forget to bring your bathers. Don't say kangaroo. Say roo. I saw a roo jump across the road on the way home from work. If you would like to learn English with me, you can join my online A1 beginner English course for just $5 a month. I upload 4 new lessons every Monday with videos and worksheets. You can ask me any English question and I'll give you feedback on your work. Enroll now using the link in the description and get a 7-day free trial. Now, let's practice together. I will read the yellow. You read the green. Hey mate, how you going? I'm good. Do you have any plans this arvo? Yeah, nah, I haven't heard of them. I'm going to the beach with some mates tomorrow and I need some new bathers. So I'm going to the shops this arvo. Thanks, I will be careful. Nah, yeah, that sounds great. Thanks for the invite. I'll see you on the weekend. Let's practice again. I will read the green. You read the yellow. Not bad, thanks. You? I'm going to a Spacey Jane concert this Arvo. Have you heard of them? Oh, they're an Aussie band. They're really good. What are you doing this Arvo? Be careful driving there. There's a lot of roos on the road lately. Let's catch up sometime. Are you free on the weekend? Let's get some brekkie. No worries. I'll text you the details. Bye. Well done. Now, you sound like an Aussie. Do you know any other Aussie slang? What's your favorite Aussie slang? Please tell me in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye!